Hello students and welcome to Science Space. Today, through this video, we will be studying a numerical from the topic molar conductivity. This topic is from the chapter Electrochemistry of class 12. So, read the question carefully from the upcoming slide and then try to find out the given data from the question. As you can see from the question, इस question में given है मोलर कंडक्टिविटीज के वैल्यू that are represented by lambda 0. Here 0 means molar conductivity at 0 concentration for different ions. So the first ion is Ca2 positive. Ca2 positive का मोलर कंडक्टिविटी एट 0 concentration का वैल्यू है 104 ओहम इनवर्स सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर मोल. द नेक्स्ट आयन दैट इज क्लोरीन आयन, Cl नेगेटिव आयन, इसका मोलर कंडक्टिविटी का वैल्यू है एट 0 concentration दैट इज 76.4 ओहम इनवर्स सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर पर मोल. द नेक्स्ट आयन इज Na positive दैट इज सोडियम आयन. So its molar conductivity value is 50.1 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. And the last ion is sulfate ion, SO4 2 negative. These sulfate ions have molar conductivity at 0 concentration of 159.6 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. इन सारे वैल्यूज के बाद क्वेश्चन में फाइंड करने के लिए बोला गया है मोलर कंडक्टिविटी एट 0 concentration फॉर टू इलेक्ट्रोलाइट दैट इज कैल्शियम क्लोराइड एंड सेकेंड इज सोडियम सल्फेट दैट इज Na2SO4. So while solving this, we will use a law or formula called as Kohlrausch law. The formula for Kohlrausch law is molar conductivity at infinite dilution or 0 concentration for an electrolyte is equal to N positive into lambda positive at 0 concentration plus N negative into lambda negative at 0 concentration. So when we will start solving this using Kohlrausch law, we will get the value of molar conductivity at 0 concentration for calcium chloride. Calcium chloride का molar conductivity हम लोगों को Kohlrausch law से मिलेगा और इसके लिए फॉर्मूला कैसे अप्लाई होगा. कैल्शियम क्लोराइड ये दो आयंस में डिसोसिएट होता है. इसके दो आयंस होते हैं Ca2 positive and 2 Cl negative ions. So while applying the formula here, N positive is the number of Ca2 positive ions and N negative is the number of chlorine negative ions, that is 2. So here the value of N negative will be 2, that is there are 2 chlorine ions, and the value of N positive will be 1. So when we will put these values in the equation, we will get the equation as 1 into lambda positive at 0 concentration plus 2 into lambda negative at 0 concentration. तो यहाँ पर मिलेगा 1 into lambda Ca2 positive at 0 concentration plus 2 into lambda Cl negative at 0 concentration. So putting these two values, we will get 104 plus the value of lambda 0 of calcium 2 positive ions is 104, and then 2 into chlorine negative ions का lambda value है 76.4 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. When we will calculate this part, we will get 256.8 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. ये होगा मोलर कंडक्टिविटी फॉर कैल्शियम क्लोराइड. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस आंसर. And in the second part, we will solve the molar conductivity at zero concentration for sodium sulfate ions. यहाँ पर सोडियम सल्फेट डिसोसिएट होता है into two ions, that is Na positive ions twice and sulfate ions, that is SO4 two negative ions once. So applying Kohlrausch law on these ions, we will get 2 into lambda 0 of Na positive ions plus 1 into lambda 0 of SO4 two negative ions. Here this 2 is the number of positive ions and this 1 is the number of negative ions, that is 1. So putting the values of Na positive and sulfate ions, we will get 2 into 50.1 plus 1 into 159.6. So the final answer while solving this will be 259.8 ohm inverse centimeter square per mole. So this will be the final answer for second part of this problem. Go through the complete problem, and if you have any doubts regarding this question, you can ask them in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and the links to other problems of this chapter are given in the description box below.